Okay, folks. Today, I am going to show you, because some of you have been worried, that Mr. Traveler can cook. Now, my stuff might not be how you know how to make stuff, so here we go. This is 15 beans, and Mr. Traveler is going to make 15 bean twisted chili. And you'll understand why I say twisted and how most of you probably don't do it this way. Now, it does say to soak the beans overnight, so rinsed beans overnight in 8 cups of water. So there's 8 cups of water in there. We're going to let it soak overnight. Okay, so the beans soaked overnight, and I got them into the crock pot. And I'm grounding my beef. I don't know if I know I said that some of you, I know that some of you have been worried about me and cooking. And as I said, my stepdaughter has been doing most of the cooking. But I want to prove that I can cook, even if this is a twisted chili. This is Dan's chili. I've made this before, back in my bachelor days. And it's how I like my chili. And by the way, I use 15 bean chili, if I didn't mention it last night. But I wanted to call out Angela's Critters, because she's a great cooking channel, and I know that she's one of them that's been concerned and wants to cook for me, but it's too far away. Her link will be down below. And just so you know, I'm going to use tomato soup because I don't have any tomatoes, and I will put a little water in there, and you'll see what else in a bit. I forgot to mention that I like to put carrots in my chili. I know that's not a normal ingredient, and no, it's not the secret ingredient yet to Dan's chili, but I do put carrots in mine. And now for the twist to Mr. Traveler's chili, which I don't think any of you have probably ever had it with, but barbecue sauce. I'm using original because I didn't want any of the sweet in the chili and what have you. And once it slowly cooks on the crock pot for a while and I'm ready to eat, I will give you a taste test. Okay, folks. If you made it this far, I thank you so much, so much. Please hit that thumbs up. And if you care, go back and help me out by watching a few of our videos full length. It really helps if you watch people's videos full length, and I thank you. Again, check out Angela's Critters, who's linked in the thing. And if you need any kind of assistance, cane, walker, wheelchair, whatever it is, to help you make your life, live your life to its fullest. It's not making you handicapped. It's making you handy-capable. Thank you all for joining me. And, oh, geez, I forgot to taste it, didn't I? Mr. Traveler's 15 bean chili. He likes it. Thanks a lot. Have a great day. God bless.